One of these aircraft costs more than a Ferrari. Another drives itself onto a public highway. Some are already sold out for years. Others are taking orders right now. Today, we're counting down 7 personal aircraft you can legally fly. No pilot's license required, starting under $40,000. Welcome to Phantom Ultimate Ride. Beginning this audit at number 7 is the Rictor X4. At CES 2026 in Las Vegas, the same consumer electronics show that unveils new phones and TVs, a Chinese mobility company called Rictor, backed by parent firm Quick Wheel Technology, unveiled what it billed as the world's first hop-on and take-off eVTOL. The price? $39,900, the cheapest aircraft on this list by a wide margin, undercutting nearly everything else here by tens of thousands of dollars. The X4 uses a 4-axis, 8-propeller layout with 63-inch carbon fiber blades that fold down for transport, shrinking the whole aircraft to about the size of a large travel trunk, small enough to fit in a pickup truck bed with in-vehicle charging built in. Top speed is 50 miles an hour with a flight time of roughly 20 minutes on a charge and a payload of up to 100 kilograms, including the pilot. Rictor says the X4 complies with FAA Part 103, the same ultralight rule that governs several other aircraft on this list, by flying pre-programmed routes at extremely low altitude, as low as 3 meters off the ground. That altitude ceiling is what keeps it license-free under U.S. law. Deliveries were scheduled for the second quarter of 2026, with a $5,000 deposit required to reserve one. As of this video, no confirmed customer deliveries have been reported.
At number 6 is the Leo Solo JetBike. Built by Leo Flight, an Indiana-based company founded by Pete Bitar and Carlos Saloff, this is the strangest looking aircraft on this entire list, and mechanically, nothing like the others. Instead of propellers or rotors, the Solo uses 48 small ducted electric fans mounted underneath a compact motorcycle-style frame, about 6.5 feet square, small enough to fit in a standard garage. It's priced at $99,900 with a fully refundable $1,000 deposit to reserve one. Like several aircraft on this list, it falls under FAA Part 103, meaning no pilot's license is required. But its performance numbers are the most limited here by design. A top speed of roughly 60 miles an hour, a flight time of just 10 to 15 minutes, and an altitude electronically capped at about 15 feet off the ground. Leo Flight compares its noise level to a vacuum cleaner. Deliveries were originally targeted for late 2025, then pushed to the fourth quarter of 2026, a timeline the company itself has called ambitious. This isn't a commuter vehicle. It's closer to a low-altitude thrill ride with a 6-figure price tag.
At number 5 is the Jetson One. Built by Jetson Aero, a Swedish company with production based in Italy, this is arguably the most talked about personal eVTOL on the market, and the aircraft most likely to show up in your social media feed. It currently costs $148,000, up from its original price of $128,000 after demand pushed the number higher. 8 electric motors power the aircraft to a top speed of 63 miles an hour, with a flight time of around 20 minutes per charge. Like the others on this list, it's classified under FAA Part 103, so no pilot's license is required to fly it. Jetson delivered its first production unit in September 2025 to Anduril Industries founder Palmer Luckey, who reportedly flew it after less than an hour of ground training. Since then, deliveries have continued in small numbers, 1 aircraft at a time. Production is completely sold out through 2027. Anyone ordering today is placed on a waitlist for 2028. The aircraft includes a triple redundant flight computer and a ballistic parachute for emergencies. It's expensive, it's backlogged for years, and people are still lining up to buy one anyway.
At number 4 is the pivotal Helix. This is the aircraft that succeeded the Blackfly you just saw. Same Palo Alto company, same Larry Page backing, now selling at scale instead of limited early access. The Helix starts at $190,000, with higher spec packages running up to $260,000 depending on options. It's a single-seat, tilt aircraft design, meaning the whole body pitches between hover and forward flight rather than tilting individual rotors. Cruise speed is 55 knots, about 63 miles an hour, with a range just over 20 miles. Like the rest of this list, it flies under FAA Part 103, so no pilot's license is required, though Pivotal does require every buyer to complete hands-on flight training before delivery, unlike some competitors. Deliveries began in the summer of 2024, and the aircraft has since drawn interest beyond hobbyists. Several U.S. fire departments have started training paramedics to fly it, exploring its use for emergency response in places helicopters can't easily reach. It's built with a triple redundant flight control system for safety. At this price point, it's less an impulse buy and more a serious entry into personal aviation.
At number 3 is Air One. Built by Air, an Israeli company also known as AirEV, this is a genuine step up in performance from everything else on this list so far. It's priced at $150,000 and seats 2, the first two-seater we've covered in this countdown. Top cruise speed is 155 miles an hour, with a range of 110 miles and up to 1 hour of flight time on a single charge. 8 electric motors power it, producing over 700 horsepower at takeoff. Unlike the ultralights earlier on this list, Air One does not fly under Part 103. It's being certified as a light sport aircraft, which means pilots will need a sport pilot certificate, a lighter requirement than a full private license, but a license nonetheless. In September 2025, the FAA granted Air One an airworthiness certificate, fast-tracking testing at the company's Florida facility after years of development in Israel. Air is aiming to become the first eVTOL certified in the LSA category, with deliveries targeted for 2026 pending that certification. The wings fold for garage storage, and the whole aircraft parks in the space of a standard pickup truck. At number 2 is the Deroni H1X. Built in Florida by Doroni Aerospace, this is a 2-seat aircraft that breaks from nearly everything else on this list, both in price and in category. It's priced between $300,000 and $400,000, depending on configuration, putting it firmly in exotic car territory. 8 ducted fans handle vertical liftoff, with 2 rear pusher props for forward flight, giving it a top speed of 120 miles an hour and a flight time of up to 40 minutes. Unlike the ultralights earlier on this list, the H1X does not fly under Part 103. It operates under FAA Special Airworthiness and Light Sport rules, and pilots need company-provided training rather than a full private license. The cockpit is controlled by a single joystick, usable from either seat, backed by autonomous navigation and 360-degree anti-collision sensors, plus a full vehicle ballistic parachute. Doroni originally targeted deliveries for 2026. As of the company's most recent update, that timeline has slipped. Doroni now anticipates initial customer deliveries in 2028, pending further testing and certification.
Ending this audit at number 1 is the Lyft aircraft Hexa, and it breaks the rule that's held for this entire list. You cannot buy this aircraft. Lyft doesn't sell Hexa to individual owners at all. Instead, the company operates its own fleet at dedicated vertiports, where anyone can book a supervised flight for around $200. No pilot's license required, with training handled on-site in a virtual reality simulator beforehand. It's a single-seat, 12-rotor aircraft built to Part 103 ultralight rules, weighing about 432 pounds, with a flight time of 8 to 15 minutes and a range of roughly 10 nautical miles. Beginner mode caps speed near 45 miles an hour, though the aircraft is rated up to 90. It carries a whole aircraft ballistic parachute that deploys as low as 40 feet off the ground. More than 15,000 people have joined waitlists across 25 U.S. cities, and Lyft has flown over 1,000 test flights to date. So why include an aircraft you can't own? Because it's the closest most people will ever get to flying one of these machines, and it's legally available today. No purchase required.
So there you have it. 7 personal aircraft, and 1 honest exception. 6 of them you can actually own, starting at $39,900 and reaching into 6 figures. The 7th, Hexa, you can only ride, but it's the most accessible flying experience on this entire list. Some are already in customer hands. Others are still years from delivery. But the era of personal flight is no longer science fiction. It's happening now, in garages, vertiports, and driveways across the country. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Phantom Ultimate Ride for more deep dives into the aircraft actually shaping the future of flight. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why.